Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this pipe with a flange. So we have here two flange, one is of square and one is a circular, and you can see that I have already modeled it, and my model is matching with a isometric view, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part by reading this drawing. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and the first thing which I will do is to create a body, and I will on my origin plane, and first thing which I will do is to select this top plane and create a sketch, and here we will create this diameter, internal and outer. So click on the circle, create a two circle, and outer one is of 58, select diameter and provide 58, and inner one is of 48. So wall thickness is of 5 mm, and now we will close it. So this is the base profile, and now I will on the origin plane, and here I will choose this right plane and click my sketch, go to the model tab and hide the plane, and now here I will select a 3-point arc and create an arc, select the arc point and this axis and add the coincidence relation, select the radius and add the radius of 122, and select this point and this point and add a vertical relation. Now I move the dimension and come out of the sketch. So here we have a profile, and we have the path, guided path for our pipe, and now we will click on the additive pipe feature, and here we will select the profile and click on OK, and path for sweep along, click on object and select this path, and set it standard and constant, click on OK. So you can see that our pipe has been created, and now we will create this square plate which having the 4 holes. So we will select this base face and click on the sketch, and we will click on project geometry and project this inner one, and create a circle and made it equal, and here we will create a rectangle, and we will use the symmetricity constraint, select this point and this axis, and we will select this and this and add equal relation, and we will just constrain one of the side which is of 96, which we can see here, and click on OK and press 0 for isometric, and we will select the sketch, click on extrude. So if we see here as per orientation, so here this is the section one took from here, and this is the square plate, So here we will add the material at the end of the pipe. So this is of 8 mm thickness, which we can see here, and click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric, and now we will create this flange. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will click on project geometry and project inner diameter, and create a circle. Select this and made it equal. Select the circle, create a circle, and constrain it with a diameter of 100 mm. And now we will select the sketch, click on extrude, and this is also be of 8 mm thickness. Click on OK. Why we have took this material outside of the pipe? Because we have drawn the radius, and you can see here our radius line is matching here, and this thickness is outside of this perpendicular line, is 90°. That's why we have added the extra material for these two flanges. Now we will create this 4 fillets, which is of R14. So we will click on the fillet and select these 4 edges. Select this, and this, and provide it 40 mm. Click on close, press 0 for isometric, and we will create these 4 holes, which is very easy to create because we will select the sketch and convert this arc into the geometry. So select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and projects this 4 arc. Now we will create these 4 holes of a diameter 10. Select the circle, select it, and create a circle, and now select a diameter, provide the 10, and now select all 4 circles and add a equal relation. Click on close, click on cut, and from here say through all, say OK. And now we will create this cut. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and here we will project this inner diameter and select the circle tool and create a diameter and provide it 86 mm. Select it and made it construction, and here we will create a rectangle. Select rectangle and create a rectangle, and we will delete this line and select a 3-point arc, and we will add the tangency. Select this and add a tangent. And now we will add a dimension. Select this and add a radius of 5 mm, and we will select this point and this axis and add a coincidence. And now we will select this arc point and this and add a coincidence, and here we will add some approximate dimension, let's say 10 mm. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, select up to face and select this back side of a face. Click on OK, press 0 for isometric, select the cut, click on the circular pattern, and here we will make the quantity 4, and here we will select reference and we will select this diameter, click on OK. So we have successfully modeled this part which is having the two flanges, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.